up, everybody? It's Yeehaw, gonna be bringing another video about my son. We're over here at Max Landing out in Cross, South Carolina. We're gonna do a little brim fishing today for you guys. Been tearing them up here lately, and I'll be honest with you, I don't know what's going on with the brim, but the mayflies are falling in the water, and I'm talking about by the clusters, y'all. So we're gonna come out here today and do a little bit of filming for y'all. So y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna bring you a little video, guys. What we're trying to do, guys, the brim that we have been catching. What we have been doing is the brim have been full of eggs. So I don't know if they're gonna be in the shallow today or what. We have been catching them in the shallow. About 4 or 5 foot of water. Some of y'all may say, well, that's not shallow. Well, dang, there goes one up there.
You got one?
Yeah. Put a new one on, son. There it goes. Oh, yeah, that's a nice one.
Big one?
Yeah.
Woo!
Open the cooler. Shut the door. Oh, he just hit mine. There he goes. Little old thing. I don't want these. I want the mamas, the daddies, or grandma. Oh, there it goes. Little old brim, little brim. There he goes. Well, I guess I'll move on up some, cause I ain't having nothing here.
Now you're in the hole. Yeah, look. Daddy. This is much easier.
There he goes.
That's big.
That's a nice one too. I'll keep him. All right, son, open that cooler.
Yes, sir.
You got to come on. It's 4-0.
I can't even get it for that.
Daddy's cutting that little butt.
Sure?
Daddy's cutting that little butt.
Please don't.
It's already 4-0.
You got one yet?
You got one yet? I done got 4. 4 to your what?
0.
You better step up your game.
I'm trying to, but you keep on stealing them.
Stealing them?
Got him?
Yeah. Uh-oh, there you go. Little one.
That's a good one. None for me. This is right over there.
Dang. That's a keeper. He hit that.
Fish I missed. Cooler or no? Oh my.
We'll get ready to get him. Uh-oh, there he goes. Red breast. Yeah, right.
Daddy.
Dang.
Oh my God.
Dang, that's a nice one too, son. Eee, go. Look at that tank. Dang, that's Grandpa.
Hmm?
Y'all look at that thing right there. Gee.
That's what my daddy's like. Oh. I got one. Big one, big one.
Son, just pull the rod. Don't keep going back and forth with it.
My first brim.
Oh,
I got one too.
Dang.
8 points.
dang.
Nice one. 4? Or no?
No.
Let me just see if it opens it.
There he goes. He had it. I was about to pull it too. How you doing?
Hey, how you doing? There you go.
Little one. Little sneaky little thing.
Hey.
Any time that I would have kept them, if we was doing a fish fry, you would have been in some hot grease. Yes, you would have. Dang, he's fighting hard. Nice one, I'm keeping him.
It's in.
Dang. I like it when they don't take my crooked. Dang.